What is up, guys? It is Patsy saying here with my first unboxing. First time I've ever ordered BAM box. Geek. Let's get into it. Okay. Next time, make sure to, so I'm not even gonna look at it. Okay, there's a lot of weird stuff. I feel a lot of weird stuff in here. Well, I guess something I got is a level up. Cool. Let's go with this. I don't know what this is. It's literally just a little black box with foam in it. I don't know what it's from. All I know is on the back it says, no matter who you are, you will always be a Bammer. You guys can't read it. Okay, that's kind of cool. I feel like a bunch of cards, that's all I know. We'll save that for the end. A little scratch it ticket. And I'm guessing I've seen unbox this past, and each one has an artist card. This one looks like it's Cheetah from Wonder Woman. Artist is Jason Miller. That's pretty cool. And box open up a little. Yep, we got the pin. I don't know what the pin's of. And I'm guessing this was my level up, because it says this pin has limited release of 250. There is a hat in here. And an autograph photo, if I'm not too mistaken. Let's look at the hat. An autographed hat. The Sandlot. An autographed Squints. Sandlot hat. That's pretty cool. Never seen a Sandlot. As always with BAM, back it authenticated. So, so then the print. I'm gonna let you guys see it first. And it is of Bill and Ted, and I don't even know what the new one is. It's from the new Bill and Ted movie. And of course the cheat sheet. So oh, so this was Wolfsbane from New Mutants X-Men. I guess I got 2 level ups in this. Cause probably that and maybe not. Because this says out of 2200, so that's gonna make me think that it wasn't a level up. Oh, this was a prop replica from Altered Carbon on Netflix. Okay. Oh yeah, we got the scratch giveaway thing. Go away. Quarter. Match 3 and win a giveaway. Scratch the instant winner symbol, wins instantly. Okay, first thing I got was an Amazon Echo Dot. Oh, does look like we win. Pin upgrade box. And finally, celebrity signed autograph. And I had the worst one that you could possibly get, considering the fact that I didn't even have 2 of a kind. So yeah, that was the BAM Geek Box. This was Volume 5, Box 8. Let me know what you guys thought of it. It was mad to me because a lot of these franchises I had no idea about. The only 2 I knew about are X-Men and Wonder Woman. The Sandlot one, the only reason I knew it was because it says Sandlot on the hat. Thank you all for watching. Have a good day. And peace.